back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and use this palette here. I recently just got this in the mail, and I did a live unboxing of PR and orders that I have received on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you want to see like unboxings, whether it's a PR or things that I purchased, then make sure you guys are following me there. That way you can kind of like, you know, interact and let me know, hey, like definitely film with it and all that good stuff. So this is from Midas Cosmetics. I am an affiliate with them, but I did purchase this on my own. And this is the first palette that they have created and released. They do have a large range of glitters and lashes on their website, and they finally came out with this beautiful palette. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows first, and I'm gonna be using two products. I actually used these yesterday and I actually really love the way they work together. So it's the BH Studio Pro Shade and Define Duo Brow Pencil. So it's like a thin brow pencil on one end, and then it has like that thicker one where you can use to shade in the brow. So I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bar to Go palette, and the shade that I am using is the Ebony shade. I mean, it's the medium to Ebony, but I'm going to be using that middle shade there. So let's just go in and line up the brows first, just to get a general shape of what we want. And as you guys see, I am letting my brows grow before. I hate when people literally like come on my page, don't even follow me, and it's just like, oh hey, can you come on my page and like a few of my pictures and follow me? Like, you don't even follow me, like, come on now. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just get the general shape of my brow, and I am going light-handed as well. I'm not putting too much pressure, just going very lightly. Alright y'all, so I got the bottom cleaned up. So I use my Plouise base shade 2 as always. Just gonna go ahead and take some more and just apply it onto the lid so that we can have this lid prepped. This on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette here, and I want to do something with the pink, that pink glitter that's there. It's just so pretty. It's a pink chunky glitter, so we're gonna go in with a lot of the rosy shades. Trying to think like how I want to do this. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this shade here first, and we're going to put that directly into the crease. And I'm going to take my Sigma E36 blending brush, and when you do this, you want to look down so that you can see exactly where you are putting the product. As you guys can see, it is pretty pigmented. I'm tapping it first so that I can get like the general shape that I want. Alright, so we have that color down. Now we're going to go in with Alright, so I'm going to take this shade here and mix it with that really light pink there. That way we can have that shade a little lighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my go-to brushes. You guys should already know. It's the Morphe M507 brush. So I'm gonna dip into both of those shades, just mixing them. And then we're just gonna start blending that shade into what we had down. And then with a bigger blending brush, not that big, but with a different blending brush, I'm going to take just the light pink shade alone from there and start blending out those edges. This Morphe M431 brush, and I'm going to take this shimmer shade here. I'm going to put this literally the brown line before we go ahead to cut the crease. Just a little bit right there. And I'm going to take the Plouise Basic Base. This is the shade Winter Rose. It's the pastel pink. I'm going to take that and use that to cut my crease. So I put like that much whenever I use the bases because I like for it to be very, very pigmented. So I'm just going to give the brush a nice coat. I'm going to look down. Actually, I'm going to look straight. And then I'm just gonna Alright guys, so lashes are on. The lashes that I am using are the Yummy Sweet Lashes by Carla. I'll leave her Instagram down below. That way you guys can check out her lashes. And I did the lower lash. I pretty much just did black liner. I used this dark shade here from the palette to put that underneath, and then one of the pinky purpley shades underneath, and that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and do face. I'm going to go and start with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. This stuff is so good, like, especially if you have like dry skin and you just need something that's very moisturizing. This is definitely that primer. Like, it's so good. Like, it feels like a moisturizer, but it has like a, I don't know, it kind of feels like a jelly consistency as well, kind of like a serum, feels like. But it's really good. So I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Beach Liquid Foundation. This is the Naturally Flawless Foundation. Now, I did purchase this before and I used it, but I had got this shade. What shade was it that I had got? I had got Toasted Almond, I believe. Yeah, Toasted Almond, which was really light for me. So they sent me this sample. This one is in the shade Light Olive. So we're gonna see if this even matches first. And if it does, we'll use it. See, like, my skin is like, and it's not like a full coverage foundation either. I would say it's like a light to medium coverage. As you can see, it covers a little but not much. Okay, this one's actually a lot better than Toasted Almond. Pixi Beauty Multi-Balm Sheer Sculpt. I used this for the first time yesterday and I was in love. Like, it gives like such a natural contour. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to use is from BH Cosmetics. Is their Blushing in Bali 6-color blush and highlighter palette. This is what it looks like here. And check it out. So this is it here. Didn't even notice that it didn't have like a matte contour shade. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. bronzer and contour palette. So I'm just gonna put a mixture. And with the shade here, it's called Lychee. Oh, that is pigmented, guys. And then just put this right on the apples of the cheeks. I'm also going to put it on the nose and the forehead, adding that color to this. Then I'm going to take a Glisten, which is a highlight shade in the palette. This one here. I'm going to use that to go up. Look at that. this video. And if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also, leave some comments down below. Let's chit chat and whatnot. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can see looks on there that I don't do on here. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.